You like after show tomorrow, Farhan and me and the best comedian of Somali take one videos, okay? I give one video, I give two videos. My brother Farhan, my management, our team, this team, to all comedians of Somali, I can after I'm not going to Dar es Salaam, I can give two videos comedy, the best comedy. Welcome to Kerry.
Karibu bana.
Yeah.
Mimi ni mwananchi.
How are you? I'm fine.
Habari naye.
Yeah. This brother, to TikTok. This brother, I have one video for this brother. Since the brother of America. You have seen the brother of America.
No.
Yeah, so my best talented. Let's go. And you?
Cheke. Ndio sawa.
Brother Faza.
Nuka علي بحبك. نوكا بحبك علي كتو. Yes, نوكا.
DJ.
Okay, so
Thank you very much. Thank you to come to support me.
to support Basadi.
Yeah.
Ndio.
Yeah.
أنا تجمع ده ودي أنا عايزها.
What? This?
Hey, how are you today? Why? Because the British are keeping the station.
Why this? But give the translation so
السلام عليكم. والله كنتاي. أنا سمعنا إنه وقت قروي. فأنا كنت أجن. أولا قرشين تنقل على غير على النقطة. وحرمنا وقت في عين صوبا لكنه. لكن قرشين تنقل على تاسع نقدر نقولنا. فقعنا سمعنا إنه وقت ما دام ونوير وبيننا. أنا أتعدى سحمتنا إلى الكيرين وسحمتنا.